In the winter garden, the earth waits, silent and still. Beneath the frost, perennial roots lie dormant, promising food without the rush of spring sowing. Perennials like Good King Henry offer a quiet security, enduring through uncertainty, thriving when annuals fail. As snow melts, green shoots emerge, crops, not weeds, returning year after year. Good King Henry embodies resilience, a living insurance policy in the garden. Growing perennials is investing in the future, trusting in nature's quiet strength. The perennial's quiet promise is a promise of continuity, of life returning, season after season. Good King Henry's name hints at royal origins, perhaps a benevolent king, perhaps a helpful spirit from folklore. But its true legacy is in the cottage gardens of Europe. For centuries, it was a staple in hard-working plots, thriving in fertile soil near homes and farmyards. Families planted a clump that could feed generations, a living heirloom passed down through time. In times of war or famine, when annual crops failed, Good King Henry's early shoots provided vital nutrition. Its predictability was its greatest virtue. A low-labour, dependable crop that required little more than occasional weeding and a mulch. It was not grown for glamour or yield, but for unwavering dependability. Quietly, it served as a beloved, if uncelebrated, member of the traditional kitchen garden. The value of Good King Henry is found in its practical, life-sustaining qualities. A mature clump yields tender shoots in early spring, like asparagus, and nutritious leaves through summer, all from the same plant. Rich in iron, calcium, vitamin C and A, it was a vital source of nutrients after long winters. Historical records describe it as a famine food, always at hand when other crops failed. Unlike wild greens, it was cultivated right outside the kitchen door, a conscious strategy for resilience. Even its seeds, though laborious to harvest, could be ground into flour or porridge, adding another layer of security. Every part of the plant had a use: shoots in spring, leaves in summer, seeds in autumn. Good King Henry was a complete food system in a single enduring plant. Annuals live fast and die young, demanding constant effort and renewal from the gardener. Perennials like Good King Henry invest in deep roots, building a foundation for years of harvest. The first year may yield little, but patience is rewarded with resilience. Deep roots access water, and the plant emerges early each spring. Once established, it needs minimal care. A yearly mulch, occasional weeding, and harvesting. Perennial beds foster rich soil life, prevent erosion, and build fertility over time. The gardener shifts from constant intervention to gentle stewardship. This is regenerative gardening, feeding both people and the soil. Perennials offer stability and sustainability, freeing time and energy for other pursuits. The patient power of the perennial is a quiet revolution in how we grow food. It's a move toward a more resilient, low-impact future. Good King Henry's decline mirrors the rise of industrial agriculture and the supermarket. Modern systems demand uniformity, high yields, and machine harvesting, qualities annuals like spinach provide. Good King Henry's staggered harvest and clumping growth don't fit this model. Manual harvesting is uneconomical on a large scale, and its leaves don't meet supermarket standards for appearance or shelf life. As tastes shifted to milder, more convenient greens, perennials were dismissed as old-fashioned. We gained convenience and year-round produce, but lost resilience, diversity, and a connection to our food's origins. The industrial system is efficient but brittle, reliant on fossil fuels and vulnerable supply chains. The fall of Good King Henry symbolizes this trade-off. We traded self-sufficiency for fragility. In forgetting perennials, we lost the quiet wisdom of plants that could feed us year after year. To bring back Good King Henry, we must be honest about its qualities and limitations. Its flavor is earthy, somewhere between spinach and asparagus, complex to some, bitter to others. Cooking is essential to mellow its taste and break down natural compounds. It won't match modern spinach for volume, but its value lies in longevity and early harvests. The first shoots in spring are a delicacy, and the leaves fill a gap before annuals are ready. Harvesting is selective and mindful, not a quick cut-and-come-again process. It encourages a slower, more connected approach to food. The leaves are best cooked, not raw, and the shoots are a short-lived spring treat. Good King Henry isn't a superfood, but it's a resilient, rewarding vegetable for the patient gardener. Its true worth is in its contribution to a diverse, resilient garden. Growing Good King Henry is simple and rewarding, perfect for low-input gardens. It thrives in sunny or partially shaded spots with fertile, well-drained soil. Prepare the site well for decades of harvest. Start from seed or young plants, spacing them to form a productive clump. It can even be grown in large containers, making it accessible to anyone. Care is minimal, an annual mulch, occasional watering, and little else. Pest and disease resistance means no need for chemicals. After planting, the main task is harvesting. No endless cycles of sowing and thinning. Good King Henry is a practical, resilient choice for anyone seeking a sustainable food garden. Good King Henry offers a harvest that changes with the seasons. In early spring, tender shoots appear. Harvested like asparagus, they're a rare treat after winter. From late spring through summer, pick the young leaves for cooking. Regular harvesting encourages more growth. In midsummer, the young flower heads can be eaten briefly or left for pollinators. By autumn, the plant produces seeds that can be saved or used as a grain. This multi-stage harvest provides 3 types of food from one plant across 3 seasons. It fills the hungry gap in spring and offers reliable greens before annuals are ready. Learning to use each part of the plant is to embrace the perennial rhythm of the garden. Good King Henry's versatility is unmatched in a resilient food system. As winter lingers, the story of Good King Henry is a timely lesson in resilience. In a world of climate uncertainty and fragile supply chains, dependable perennials are more relevant than ever. Planting Good King Henry is a step towards self-reliance and food sovereignty. These living heirlooms embody centuries of survival, selected for endurance, not appearance. While it won't solve all food problems, its true value is in the home garden, where patience and connection matter. It teaches us to see our gardens as living ecosystems, not just production lines. By replanting these seeds of resilience, we build a more secure, abundant future, one perennial at a time.